Hello! In front of me I have Fitbit Sense 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Fitbit application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. Now we can open the Fitbit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the today page. Now tap on the profile or account icon in the top left corner. On the account page, find the Sense 2 on the list of devices and tap on it. And here find the gallery option and tap on it. Now, to change the watch face, you can look right here. You have the list of watch faces on your watch, as you can see. You can tap on one, tap on select, and wait until it's gonna be applied. It takes a second or two, or maybe more than a second or two, couple seconds basically. As you can see, once it's done, the watch face will be applied. If you have only one watch face right here on this list, as you can see, you have this plus button. We can tap on it. It will bring us to the store, and here we can add more watch faces by selecting one, then tapping on install. And once you install the watch face, you will be able to apply it on your watch. Oh, okay. The watch face is done installing, as you can see, and it's been applied automatically. And if you go back to the to this page, you will see that it's gonna be added to the list of my clocks. And again, you can select one and switch it if you want to. And basically that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.